Are you looking for a pull-up bar that truly delivers, not just on performance but on real value, durability, and design excellence? You've come to the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we bring you in-depth, unbiased, and honest reviews to help you make smarter purchase decisions every time. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best pull-up bars you can get right now, carefully tested and compared based on build quality, key features, performance, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons. Whether you're watching from anywhere around the world, our goal is simple: to guide you toward the right choice and help you invest your money wisely. And trust me, you don't want to miss the number one pick. It might just change your mind. All the latest prices and official links are listed below in the description box. Now sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into the review, only here on Review the Best Buy. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have Tong and Lee Power Tower Pull-up Bar Dip Station / Stand for Home Gym Strength Training Workout Equipment. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful. Perfect for anyone looking for real value and reliability. Upgrade your home workouts with the Tong and Lee Power Tower, a durable and versatile pull-up and dip station designed for full-body strength training. Built from heavy-duty alloy steel, this sturdy station supports up to 330 pounds and features 6 adjustable height levels, 74.8 to 82.68 inches, perfect for users of all sizes and workout spaces from home to office. Perform pull-ups, dips, push-ups, vertical knee raises, and chin-ups to effectively target your arms, core, chest, shoulders, and back. The non-slip foam rubber handles and fixed grip bars provide comfort and safety, while the thick backrest and elbow pads help prevent strain and injury during intense sessions. All nuts are non-slip to avoid loosening during use, ensuring maximum stability and confidence while exercising. Assembly is easy with included tools and clear instructions, and dedicated customer service is available if you need support. Watch now to see why the Tong and Lee Power Tower is one of the best pull-up and dip stations for any serious home gym setup. Moving up the list, number 4 is where design meets innovation. Coming in at number 4, we have a pull-up and dip pull-up bar for door frames for hanging without screws and no slipping with padded handles. Known for its cutting-edge features and solid performance that users around the world are loving. Transform your doorway into a powerful home gym in seconds with the pull-up and dip pull-up bar, a premium screw-free solution designed for secure, no-slip workouts. Unlike unstable telescopic bars, this innovative design attaches safely to door frames 25 to 37 inches wide and 6 to 10 inches deep without damaging walls thanks to its padded contact points. With multiple grip options, wide, narrow, chin-up, and parallel, plus the ability to perform leg raises, push-ups, and dips, it offers full-body versatility. Its elevated handle height minimizes leg bending during pull-ups, while the reinforced crossbar construction ensures stability and supports up to 240 pounds. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned athlete, this bar delivers a safe, wobble-free training experience. It also includes a pull-up resistance band, anti-slip foam grips, and a bonus ebook with 23 pull-up tips, ideal for progress at every level. Compact, durable, and easy to assemble, the pull-up and dip bar is one of the best door pull-up bars for convenient, effective strength training at home. Alright, things are getting really exciting now. Our number 3 pick is one that's loved by thousands worldwide. At number 3, Wapka Power Tower Pull-up Dip Station Foldable Pull-up Bar Station Adjustable Multi-Function Home Gym. It delivers premium performance, outstanding comfort, and a look that never goes out of style. Take your home workouts to the next level with the Wapka Power Tower Pull-up Dip Station, a foldable, adjustable, and multifunctional fitness solution built for strength and versatility. Crafted from durable alloy steel and designed with a sturdy triangle structure, this power tower supports up to 460 pounds without bending or shaking. With 8 adjustable height levels and a spacious 39.4 inches width, it's ideal for users of all sizes and workout routines. From pull-ups and dips to knee raises, push-ups, and inverted rows, this compact station targets multiple muscle groups with ease. The anti-slip handles and base add extra safety, while the foldable design makes storage effortless. Slide it behind a door or under a bed when not in use. Perfect for indoor or outdoor use, its 2 mm thickened steel tubing and protective coating ensure long-term durability. Simple to assemble in just 30 minutes, the Wapka Power Tower is a top pick for anyone serious about home fitness. Watch now to see why it's the best foldable pull-up bar station for your gym. We're almost at the top, and this next one is a runner-up at number 2, Relife Rebuild Your Life Power Tower Pull-Up Bar Station Workout Dip Station for Home Gym Strength Training Fitness Equipment. Built with precision and innovation, it's a powerhouse that professionals absolutely trust. Upgrade your home workouts with the Relife Rebuild Your Life Power Tower Pull-Up Bar Station, the ultimate all-in-one fitness equipment designed for strength training and full-body workouts. Built from durable stainless steel, this compact and sturdy pull-up station supports up to 400 pounds and features 4 suction cups and safety lock nuts for extra stability. Whether you're doing dips, pull-ups, knee raises, or bodyweight rows, this station remains solid and shake-free. With 9 adjustable height levels, a reinforced steel frame, and 3-level armrest adjustments, it's perfect for all ages and fitness levels, even kids. The 4-position backrest enhances comfort during dips and vertical leg raises, while thickened steel pipes ensure long-term durability. The integrated push-up bars add to its versatility, making it an excellent choice for small spaces and full-body training. Easy to assemble and backed by a 1-year warranty, the Relife Power Tower is a smart investment for any home gym. Watch now to see why it's the best pull-up bar station for your fitness journey. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best of the best. At number 1, Sports Royals Power Tower Pull-Up Dip Station Assistive Trainer Multifunction Home Gym Strength Training Fitness Equipment. This one redefines what performance really means. Unmatched build quality, user satisfaction, and a reputation that speaks louder than words. Looking for the best pull-up bar and dip station for your home gym? Discover the Sports Royals Power Tower Pull-Up Dip Station, a multi-function fitness machine built for serious strength training. Crafted from heavy-duty alloy steel with a 450-pound weight capacity, it offers unmatched stability for intense workouts. No wobbling, no compromises. Perform pull-ups, dips, knee raises, and more with adjustable height and ergonomic padding designed for comfort and joint protection. 10-degree reclined frame, padded armrests, and 7-position backrest provide powerful adaptability for the whole family. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for small home gyms or garages, while the clear assembly instructions ensure quick setup. Backed by over 20 years of Sports Royals innovation, this power tower stands up to everyday use with lasting durability. If you're ready to level up your home workout game, this is the all-in-one equipment you need. Watch now to see why it's the best pull-up bar for strength and versatility. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.